So what we've got, Scotty, is we've got these turkeys that are roosted to the northwest of us at about 500 yards. We've slid by them with the bag wheel up. We got in here as quiet as we can. Okay. Now what we're going to do is hopefully they're going to pitch off into that 10 with this high wind. Okay. We're going to get them strut out this little field here. Hopefully they'll come from right to our left, give me a pretty good shot, 15-20 yard shot down there. So,
I'm about 10 feet to the right of the decoys where I may have been right now.
right.
I think right in there I'm going to be fine.
That's the perfect world scenario, right? If we get them straight
Come
up.
in that direction.
Honestly.
That's my ear.
Yeah,
Poking it inside my ear. There you go, right there. Now we're good.
you like it? Bunch of deer coming across there. Coming out the middle of the field. Half a dozen or so out there.
Yeah, I see them. Just playing around.
Yeah. It's a good farm, no pressure. They just, nobody messes with them. They're doing a thing.
Look at my rabbits right there. Look at my rabbits.
Pretty sure. Yeah, that second one left, it's above the Rockies horns. You see the mounds are starting to go back.
I can't really see them without the binoculars. I see them.
That's cool.
They're right there.
Scotty, there's a kid. She's coming up on the right side. They still do look at her on the right side.
I see her. I see her.
Smoke from Scotty or what?
You want me to? I will.
Yeah, he's got beard rot.
I turn to the left though.
He's got beard rot.
That's a mature gobbler. Right there's got a little more. Shoot, you move it to the left. You're alright, you're alright. I can't get this far up to the left. You're alright.
I'm good if we want to get one to stick his head up.
You're right in that strap, Scotty. Can you come right Did I get him?
Got him. Got him, man.
I think are you sure?
Look at here, brother.
Look at that.
Huh? Look at there.
Oh, dude.
Look at that bird.
You weren't kidding. You said the adrenaline's gonna
Is that a
just.
pretty bird or what?
That's
That
freaking
is.
sweet.
Awesome, man. You smoked him.
Dude, I got him.
He went right down.
That's awesome.
Yeah, it is. Good job, dude.
I think I was gonna get him. We went back to his right. I thought I was gonna lose a chance to shoot him. He came
That's
back to his left.
Awesome, man.
Sweet.
Awesome.
Oh, God is good. That is awesome.
Wow.
I thought I missed him when he ran. I
No,
thought I
you
missed him.
Yeah, you hit him
You
good.
hit him good, man. You just clipped the side of him.
I was just waiting for him to get there, and once I got to where I could just get my sight on him a little bit, I went and pulled the trigger.
You got him, dude.
Oh,
Not
look
the
at
biggest beard,
that.
but I think you're right. I think they got the beard rot. This is he's kind of a young bird. The other one that was full fan.
Yeah, he was full fan.
Wow.
Hey, that's my first bird. That don't matter how big he is. That's sweet. Oh, golly.
Awesome, man.
Oh, guys, we did it.
Hey, sweetheart.
You want?
Oh, yeah. You don't have any idea. Right now, let's say hi to Toby and Andy. Toby's looking right here, and Andy's here. Andy's the guy filming for us today. Can you tell him hi?
Oh, hello.
Good
Sorry,
morning.
I didn't get to the cell phone in time.
That's okay.
That's right.
Good morning. You probably thought I was a
Morning.
vacuum cleaner salesman.
Yeah, it was unbelievable. These two, well, I had a hen come out early, and then two more hens came out, and finally two toms, or jakes, what was it?
But one was a full-blown tom, one was a Jake, yeah.
And they
So,
walked, I mean, they were like 20 yards from us?
about 12.
Yeah.
Just right here in front of me, just walking back and forth, and they're looking right at me. And I couldn't get the shot off because I had a chair too far to the left. Moved my chair to the right, and I just waited and waited and waited, and finally I walked right inside my line of sight, and I popped them right in the head. It was
Oh, you
awesome.
got both?
Well, no, the other one ran away. But
Oh.
well, we still got one more tag, so we're going to try and get it too while we're out here.
Oh, well, cool.
But it was, you have no idea. And Andy got everything on video, babe. You get to see the whole thing.
Oh, well, good.
You
So-
betcha.
Yeah, because that'd have been embarrassing if you missed.
Yeah, it would have
Hey, that's why you have editing capabilities.
been. Edit the missed shots
Especially
out.
if they're that close to you.
So,
Right.
but
So-
we'll,
Good deal.
we're going to go ahead and try and film my second tag while I'm here. So, and while Andy's
Sure,
here.
Go for it.
All right. Well, I want to call and tell you today I got one. Love you, babe.
Love you too.
All right.
Bye. All right, let's get this blind taken off. Check out your bird, buddy.
Okay.
Oh, there he is, Scotty.
I can't believe it, man.
I'm telling you, look at the light. I'm telling you, he's absolutely beautiful. Got some
And that-
Rio mixed in with that Eastern, like we was talking about that hen that came by. I mean, he doesn't get any prettier.
That's real.
Well, I probably think it's a hybrid.
Hybrid.
A little bit Eastern Rio mix. We get a lot of those here in the Yosho River bottom and stuff. And just a fantastic bird.
I got him. I shot him in the head.
Shot him right in the head, great shot. Pattern Project White Rhino shot really did the job this time, you know. So it's unbelievable to me that a Facebook forum goes from type on the keyboard to this right here, you know. So it's what it's about. You know, the State Outdoors group is about educate, facilitate, and make things happen for people. A lot of people made this hunt happen, not just me and Andy and Mike Havlin. You know, all the members of State Outdoors. This is what this group's about. You know, Tim Ritz originally came up with our group, and you know about Tim, and Brad Vance, Matt Walker, Andy John, you know, Kristen Hayward, John Carter. There's tons of people. Preston Spice. I'm gonna miss somebody unintentionally, right?
Yeah.
But we appreciate everybody, and we really want this to be the